What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency. Now, you may be thinking, isn't crypto just weird numbers on a screen people gamble on and use to scam people or hide their money from the government? For a long time, that's what I thought too. But behind the hype, these digital coins actually have real utility, real-world uses that could change everything: how we send money, how we build the next generation of the internet, and much more. So I spent a ton of time researching the top 15 cryptocurrencies to figure out what they actually do. This isn't about telling you what to buy, it's about going beyond the hype to understand the real technology and use cases of these digital coins. We're uncovering the hidden utility behind the biggest names, from Bitcoin to Chainlink. By the end, you'll never look at crypto the same. Hit subscribe and also like the video so that you can enjoy more videos like this. Let's get into it. 15 cryptos and their real utility. Launched in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first decentralized digital currency. Money not controlled by any bank or government. Its primary utility today, digital gold, a store of value outside traditional systems. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Scarcity is the point. Unlike fiat, its supply is fixed. That's why companies, even some countries, hold it on their balance sheets. Bitcoin is also a powerful settlement layer. Move millions or billions across the world, peer-to-peer. Traditional routes are slow and expensive. With Bitcoin, settlement can happen in minutes. It's incredibly secure and battle-tested. Not ideal for buying coffee, but unparalleled for large value transfers, needing ultimate security. Think of Bitcoin as the bedrock of crypto, a secure vault for storing wealth, and a global permissionless system for moving huge sums. The final boss of digital assets. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is a global decentralized supercomputer anyone can use. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and team, it asked, what if we could do more than just send money? Enter smart contracts, programs that run exactly as deployed. No downtime, no censorship, no third-party interference. That unlocked DeFi, NFTs, gaming, pretty much anything developers can dream up. These apps run on the Ethereum network, owned by everyone. Ether, ETH, is the fuel. Every transaction or contract execution requires a small gas fee in ETH. It's infrastructure for thousands of tokens, powering the bulk of crypto's innovation. Ethereum's utility is massive, the lifeblood of a decentralized world computer. From lending and trading to collectibles and games, it's where Web3 runs. In short, Ethereum turned blockchains into programmable platforms. Tether, USDT, is a stablecoin designed to stay pegged to $1. While Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies swing like a roller coaster, stablecoins aim for stability. USDT's issuer claims reserves, cash, bonds, and other instruments, back tokens in circulation. Traders use USDT to move in and out of positions quickly without touching banks. It's also used for payments and remittances. It's like digital dollars at crypto speed and low cost. Despite reserve controversies, its market utility and dominance are undeniable. USDC, issued by Circle, plays the regulated, transparent alternative. It provides monthly attestation reports, building confidence for institutions. USDC is widely used in DeFi, trading, cross-border payments, and payroll. If USDT is the Wild West workhorse, USDC is the suit and tie bridge to traditional finance. It provides the same dollar stability, but different trust models. Both power the crypto economy. BNB began as a fee discount token on Binance, the world's largest exchange. Holders of BNB use it to pay fees and get discounts. It's simple, instant utility. Then came Binance Chain and BSC, a faster, cheaper smart contract platform. Like Ether on Ethereum, BNB pays gas fees on Binance Smart Chain. Low fees and speed attracted DeFi, NFTs, and games, driving demand for BNB. Paying transaction fees, token launches, travel, and even in-store via Binance Card. BNB evolved from a discount voucher to the core currency of a massive blockchain ecosystem. Exchange utility plus a thriving smart contract network turned BNB into essential infrastructure for millions. XRP, created by Ripple, targets one mission: revolutionize cross-border payments. Bank wires are slow and expensive. XRP settles in 3 to 5 seconds with tiny fees. On-demand liquidity converts dollars to XRP, sends instantly, and converts to pesos and other world currencies, eliminating pre-funded accounts. It's a specialist tool for banks, payment providers, and remittance companies. Despite US legal battles, the tech is used globally to move money more efficiently. Less a decentralized currency for the people, more a high-performance rail for institutional payments. XRP's utility is clear: instant, low-cost cross-border settlement and on-demand liquidity. Cardano, ADA, is a proof-of-stake smart contract platform built with peer-reviewed science. Led by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, it moves slow and methodical, aims for provable security, scalability, and sustainability. ADA pays fees, powers smart contracts, enables staking rewards, and on-chain governance. It's a measure twice cut once bet that wins long-term. Dogecoin started as a joke, then became a global community phenomenon. It gained surprisingly wide acceptance, had relatively low fees, and was faster than Bitcoin, which is great for small payments. It's perfect for tipping creators on social platforms. No complex smart contracts. Its strength is simplicity, culture, and community. Two paths: ADA's research-driven rigor and Doge's people-powered payments. Polygon is a Layer 2 companion to Ethereum. Express lanes that make transactions faster and cheaper. It processes off-chain, then posts proofs to Ethereum for security. Use your favorite Ethereum decentralized apps at a fraction of a cent, confirmed in seconds. DeFi and NFTs expanded to Polygon. Big brands like Starbucks, Disney, and Meta joined. Matic pays fees and secures the network via staking. Solana is a high-throughput, smart contract platform focused on speed and low cost. Proof-of-history timestamps enable parallelized, lightning-fast processing. Transactions cost fractions of a penny. Ideal for high-frequency DeFi, games, and mass NFT mints. A thriving ecosystem of wallets, DeFi, and NFTs, with some historical network outages acknowledged. SOL pays fees and is staked to secure the network. Polygon supercharges Ethereum's usability. Solana builds a new, ultra-fast lane from the ground up. Tron targets content and entertainment. High throughput at ultra-low cost. It's the largest network by USDT volume. Fees often under a cent. TRX pays fees, can be frozen for energy bandwidth, and votes for super representatives. Polkadot connects blockchains. True interoperability via a relay chain and parachains. Parachains plug in and share security while communicating across ecosystems. DAO secures the network, governs upgrades, and is bonded to win parachain slots. Litecoin is digital silver, a faster, cheaper Bitcoin-style payment coin. Blocks every 2.5 minutes, 4x Bitcoin, making point-of-sale confirmations quicker. 84 million supply, low fees, listed everywhere, accepted by thousands of merchants. Tron powers cheap stablecoin rails and content for decentralized apps. Polkadot connects chains. Litecoin excels at simple, fast peer-to-peer payments. Avalanche confirms and finalizes transactions in under a second. It feels instant. Its secret weapon is subnets, sovereign chains with their own rules, VMs, and even their own gas tokens. Enterprises and games get dedicated high-speed lanes without sharing resources. AVAX pays fees and secures the platform via staking. Subnet validators must also validate the main network, unifying security and driving AVAX demand. Chainlink isn't a blockchain, it's a decentralized Oracle network. Smart contracts can't access off-chain data like prices, weather, or flight status by themselves. Chainlink nodes fetch data from multiple sources, verify it, and deliver tamper-resistant feeds on-chain. Contracts pay node operators in Link. Operators stake Link as collateral and risk slashing for bad data. Reliable oracles are critical for DeFi, insurance, gaming, and enterprise. Chainlink connects blockchains to the real world. 15 major cryptocurrencies and their real utility, from Bitcoin's digital gold to Chainlink's real-world bridge. This isn't just speculation anymore, it's a new financial system, creator economy, and internet. Each project tackles massive problems with new technology. Remember, crypto isn't one thing, it's an ecosystem. Understanding cuts through the hype. This is just the beginning. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, smash like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with the latest content, and comment which crypto's utility you like most. Now you know the top 15 cryptos and their real utility. I'll see you in the next video.